All right, good people. Today is Tuesday, the 21st. Monday, we had no school.
I'm not sure I understand.
You don't have to, Siri. All right, so look, today is the 21st. If you haven't done so already, please put your first and last name at the top of the packet. 2/21/23. The assignments that are due this week is the warm up, the homework, and we have a quiz on Friday, linear equations. Okay, we're graphing linear equations. The essential questions are on the board. What is a system of linear equations? What does it mean to solve a system of linear equations? And describe how to graph a system of linear equations. Okay, so the agenda on the sideboard, we are going to write in our planner first. Okay, after which I'm going to go over the warm up with you. We're going to do Tuesday's warm up. I'm going to mark out Mondays. Okay, we're going to do Tuesday's homework. Look at how this is. Lord, I got Tuesday there. Didn't mean to do that. I need to go back and fix it. Nonetheless, after that, I'm going to introduce systems. We have a foldable, and we're going to practice graphic. Okay? If we have time, if we get past the foldable. I did it in the opposite direction in the last class. I actually did the graphing because I didn't, have the foldable. But hopefully we'll be able to get to the practice part. Let's write our homework in our planner, please. The first part of our planner, we need to write our goal down for this week. My goal is to prepare for the quiz. I'm going to pause for the calls to give you a chance to write down your goal. Please write the date, 2/21. All right, good folks. We're going to write our homework down. This is week 4. Find a new page in your planner. We have tutoring this week. Tuesday and Thursday is our tutoring. Tuesday and Thursday is our tutoring. We're going from the 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Oh, it's 24th. Sorry, y'all. All right. No school Monday. We have tutoring today. Our homework is in the packet. And then don't forget to watch the help video. Again, tutoring is after school at 2:30. We do reading first. And then at 3:10, 3:05, we switch. And that's when you do the math. From 3:10 to 3:55. Okay. We can go ahead and write down tutoring for Thursday also. Again, the reading is first, and the math you'll take at 3:10, 3:10 to 3:50. All right, here we go. Let's look at the warm up. We're gonna do Tuesday's warm up. Raise your hand if you're not ready. Paige, are you ready, baby? Okay. Yes, sweetheart. You can't. Some people have already done it, which is fine. If you've already done it, then that's great. If you haven't, then that's okay. We're doing Tuesday. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm going to do Tuesday. We're writing a linear equation. You write linear equations in slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where the number that is attached to the x is the slope. The number that has no variable attached to it is called, anybody remember? The y-intercept, or the starting amount. They have given you the slope, and they've given you a point. What we know about this point is that because x is equal to 0, this y value is b. So b is equal to a -6. Anytime you see the x value is 0, the y value is going to be b. That's the starting amount. So that makes this problem even easier. You're writing the slope-intercept form, the equation. So you're just going to substitute. What are we going to substitute for m? 1/3. Y is equal to 1/3 x minus the 6. I'm going to pause for the cause. This is going to be our equation. Yes, baby? Put your packet in your folder. Make sure you're back in your seats, please. Make sure you're back in your seats. Right. All right, let's put, she won't go during this time. All right, let's put this on our desk. The foldable, please put this on your desk. Started. Okay, I'm going to continue recording. Okay, look, you're going to fold the foldable in this way, just like this. And it looks just like this. Okay, I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. It looks just like this. No, put next person, let's go. No, you're after Leah. All right, here we go. Hush. All right, so we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to open this little tab and we're going to cut on the dotted line. Okay, so I'm going to pause for the calls. Make sure you pick up the supply bag for your table. Okay, so you're going to open this up so that you don't cut both sides. And you're just going to open this up and you're going to cut single side. You're going to cut the tab, each tab on the little dashed or dotted line. Okay. So that it looks like this when you open it. Okay. I'm going to give you a little time. All right, here we go. Systems of equation. A system by definition is more than one. Like a school system, like a bus system. Shh, guys, ladies, please stop. Shh, be quiet. Shh. I'm helping you. Don't help. I don't need no help. I got it. I got it. I don't need no help. All right, here we go. A system of linear equations is more than one equation. We're going to talk about what the solution for a system is going to look like. Okay. All right. So first, a system where there's one equation means that the lines cross each other. So here, the lines cross. The slopes are going to be different. The slopes are going to be different. The y-intercepts are going to be different. We're going to graph this equation. You have to wait. You have to wait. All right, so we're going to graph this equation. We're going to graph y is equal to 2/3x plus 8. We're going to graph it by first labeling what m and b is. See if you can label which one of these numbers is m and which one of the numbers is b. I'm going to pause for the cause. I don't want you to say it out loud, but I do want to see if you know that or remember that from last week. All right, which one is going to be M? 2 over 3. The top number you label as what? Rise. What do you label the bottom number as? Run. Which one of the numbers is B? 8. So let's graph that. We are going to graph B on the y-axis first. So the y-axis is here. Positive 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. Stop rolling around in my chair, baby. Now we're going to use the slope, rise over run, to put points on the line. Rise means positive 2 is going up. Run, left, right, means we're going to the right 3 times. So up 2 and to the right 3. So we're going up 1, 2, and to the right 1, 2, and 3. Up 2 to the right 3. If I want points in the opposite direction, instead of going up, I go down 2 and to the left 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, left 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, left 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, left 1, 2, and 3. So on and so forth. I'm going to connect my points. Let's make the line cross. Oh, slopes are different. We need to put different signs because one is going to be positive. Well, not always. They're just different. Because sometimes they both can be positive and still cross. And sometimes the slope and the y-intercepts can be the same. So I don't even know why they did that either. So we're going to leave that blank because sometimes they can be exactly the same. That don't have anything to do with nothing. All right, let's make another line that crosses it. Let's cross at this point right here. Let's make it cross. So let's go down 1, 2, right 1. 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 Opposite direction would be up 2, left 1. 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 If we're going down 2 over 1, the slope for this line is going to be a -2. -2 over 1. The y-intercept. Where does the line cross the y-intercept? Crosses right here. What point is this? What number is that? 0, 0. So my equation is going to be y is equal to -2x plus 0. Or just -2x. So a 1 solution is where the lines cross each other. So where does it cross here? What's going to be the solution here? They should have said solution instead of doing. What's going to be the solution here? Where do they cross each other? What ordered pair is this? What ordered pair is that? All right, you said +3, 1, 2, 3, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -3 and -. Negative 3 and positive 6. That's the solution. Negative 3 and positive 6. Wherever the lines cross each other, that's the solution. All right, let's keep going. 0. When is there no solution? When is there a no solution? That means that the lines don't cross each other. They're all straight lines. Lines do not cross. If the lines do not cross, that means they're parallel. So anytime you have parallel lines, it's going to be a no solution. What does that mean about the slopes? The slopes are going to be the same. That's why they never cross. The y-intercept, if the y-intercepts were the same, the lines would be right on top of each other. The y-intercepts for this are going to be different. For here, the y-intercepts, it doesn't matter. That has nothing to do with nothing. For this one, the y-intercepts have to be different because the slopes are the same. So now we're going to write the equation. Okay, let's do this one. We're going to graph these two equations. We're going to graph y is equal to, let's do a slope of 3x plus, let's do minus 5 instead of plus. And let's do the same slope because they're parallel, same slope. And this time, let's go through positive 1. So let's graph these. In order to graph, label M and B for both equations. Let's do that first. We'll pause for the cause. Label your M, label your B. What is the M in this problem? Which one of these numbers is my M? 3. So we're going to do 3 over 1. Top number is rise, bottom number is run. What about B? What is B in this equation? Negative 5. What is M in the second equation? 3. So we got 3 over 1. What is B in the second equation? 1. So now let's graph this first equation. We're going to find B on the y-axis. Negative 5 on the y-axis is down 5. That's down 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5 is here on the y-axis. Now we're going to go from here and we're going to go up 3 and to the right 1. So we got up 1, 2, 3, right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 and to the right 1. Points in the opposite direction is down 3, left 1. 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 Down 1, 2, 3, left 1. Connect your points. Make sure you graph this, Terrence. You didn't graph, baby. Say again, sweetie. B is negative 5. Shh. Okay? Negative 5, then go up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Put your point there. And now from there, start there and count up 3. No. Start there, count up 3 and over 1. To the right. And put your point there. Now do it again. All right. Let's try to graph the second one. The second, your B is +1. So you're going to find +1 on the y-axis, which is right here, up 1 from the origin. So from here, I got the same slope, up 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3, right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 and to the right 1. Opposite direction, down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. Down 1, 2, 3, left 1. Down 1, 2, 3, left 1. Down 1, 2, 3, and left 1. They're never going to run into each other because they have the same slope. This is a no solution. They don't share any points. Do not share points. That's why it's no solution, because they don't share any points. They don't cross, so it's a no solution. Paige, did you write it? Pause for the calls. Give you a chance, baby. Infinitely many. That means they share all the points. If they share all the same points, that means they happen to graph the same exact line, okay? That means they graph the same exact line. So what does it look like? The lines are on top of each other. The slopes are the same. The y-intercepts are the same. Pause for the calls. All right, let's look at it. Okay, so look, let's do this equation. We have y is equal to, let's do a negative slope. Let's do a negative 2 over 3. And we got x. And let's start that at positive 4. Okay? The other, let's set negative 4 over 6. Let's start that also at 4. Okay, so let's graph them both. Yes, baby, go ahead. Let's graph them both, okay? So we're going to graph this first one. We're going to find 4 on the y-axis. 4 on the y-axis is up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start here. From this point, we're going to go down 2 and to the right 3. So let's go down 1, 2, to the right, 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, to the right, 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, to the right, 1, 2, 3. Opposite direction, up 1, 2, left 1, 2, 3. Up 2, left 3. Up 2, left 3. Up 1, 2, left 1, 2, 3. Up 1, 2, left 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, left 1, 2, 3. That's the first line. Very good. All right. I'm going to graph the second. The second line also starts at 4. We're going to go down 4 and to the right 6. So we're going to start at 4 again, right here. And we're going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is right here. Make it bigger. Okay? All right, I don't have enough space to go this way, so I go backwards. We go up 4 and then over to the right 6. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna make this bigger. It's the same line. It is the same line. So they share all the same points. They share all same points because it's the same line. So this is infinitely many solutions. It's here and here. They share all the same points because the lines are right on top of each other. And you can use double arrows either. I sometimes do double arrows so it doesn't look like it's just one line, that it's actually two. Arrow for this one and then an arrow for the other. They're right on top of each other. Pause for the calls, Miss Reyes. Take out your notebook so we can paste this in. You broke it.
No.
I saw you punch holes in
like
it.
That when I saw it.
Please. Brandon, you are not fooling nobody. All right, here we go. We're interpreting graphs. Remember this sheet? This sheet you need to paste in your notebook on page. Let's do this on page 9, continue. We didn't glue it down, but this can be page 9, continue. This right here, we need to glue on page 9, continue. We did this side. And we actually probably can just, you glued it in? I didn't glue mine. Shh, please glue that in. Pause for the calls. Those of you that didn't glue it, because I didn't, please glue it now. We're going to put in page 10, and that's going to be the systems foldable. So we got systems of equations foldable. Systems foldable. This is quarter 3, page 10. Systems foldable. Shh, y'all are a bunch of noisemakers today. Foldable. All right, so we're going to paste this on this page. Shh, honey, please stop. All right, pause, give you a chance to paste this on page 10. Systems. This is systems foldable. Put this out on your desk, please. Shh, the one that I am going to grade. Yeah, I just must have clicked it by mistake and didn't mean to. Or one of these buttons up here could mean it. All right, here we go. This first one, list what your M and your B is for both. What is M? What is B for both equations? Let's do that now. Pause for the calls. B is 2. Okay. So now we're going to find B on the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So we're going to find 2 on the y-axis. This is 0 on the y-axis. 2 is right here. So now we're going to take our slope, rise over run, to put points on the line. Rise is 3, negative 3. So that means you go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Run is a positive 1. So that means you go to the right 1 time. You do it again. Down, 1, 2, 3. To the right, 1. If you want to go backwards, go up 3, right 1. Up 3, right 1. Up 1, 2, 3. To the right 1. The solution is going to be where those points cross each other. I mean, where the lines cross. Where do the lines cross? What ordered pair is this? Positive 1 and negative 1. That's the solution. Because that is the one point that they share. That's it. That's all. We're going to do number 2. And then I need you to do 5 and 6. Okay? I need you to do 5 and 6 so that I can look over it. Okay? This is going to be your ticket out the door. 5 and 6. All right. M is negative 5 over 3. Rise over run. B is a positive 1. M is going to be the number that's attached to the X. B is going to be the number that has no variable attached to it. So now we're going to find 1 on the y-axis. 1 on the y, this is 0. 1 is 1 up from the origin. Now we're going to use rise over run. Negative 5, that's down 5. Positive 3 is to the right 3. So go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right 1, 2, 3. Opposite direction. Up 5, left 3. Up 1, 2, 3. We don't have enough space. This is my line. What? Second line. My slope is the number attached to X. That's negative 1 over 3. Sorry, y'all. Rise over run. B is the number that has no variable attached to it. That's negative 3. So now you're going to graph negative 3 on the y-axis. Always graph B on the y-axis. This is the y-axis. We're going to find negative 3. This is 0. Go down. 1, 2, 3. We graph B, negative 3 on the y-axis. Now we're going to use the slope, rise over run, to put points on the line. Negative 1 is down 1. Positive 3 is to the right 3. Down 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Down 1 to the right 3 is not enough space. So backwards. Up 1, left 3. Up 1, left 1, 2, 3. The point in which they cross is the solution. This is the solution here. This ordered pair is positive 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. This is the solution. So now I want you to do 5 and 6 on your own, okay? And you're going to turn this in at the door on the way out.